The RT100 video manual series is designed to help you quickly and easily learn how to use the RT100 and explore its key features. Repetitive heavy lifting tasks require a lot of manpower and time. The RT100 transport robot was designed to solve these inconveniences by reducing the burden on workers and improving work efficiency. We offer two versions of the RT100, a manual drive model and a model that supports both manual and autonomous driving. But details regarding autonomous driving will be explained in more detail in a separate autonomous driving manual. From now on, I will explain the basic specifications of the RT100. Here you can see the TFS sensor on the top of the robot. Simply pulling this sensor allows you to control the robot's movements in all directions, as well as stop it. The RT100 can be operated by remote control at distances of up to 80 meters, enabling smooth forward, reverse, and turning movements with gradual acceleration while the button is held. The lift and dump functions can also be controlled remotely. Hybrid tires come standard on the RT100 and can be replaced with optional turf or industrial tires depending on your work environment. Up to 300 kilograms can be loaded, making it useful for agriculture, industrial, and service applications. The RT100 can lift loads up to approximately 45-inch high, so you can easily load items onto trucks or sorters. However, when using the lift function, the maximum load capacity is limited to 200 kilograms. For the dump function, it can tilt up to 45.3 degrees, allowing you to unload materials easily and improve work efficiency.